everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing another PR haul. So as you guys saw in the other video, I was not able to go through everything, so I thought, you know what, why don't I just go in my other room, change my shirt, and film a part 2. So that's what I'm doing today. So before we get into the video, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to ring the little bell as well if you want to have notifications. But let's go ahead and see what I got in this huge PR haul, because even I don't know. All right, so first off, I got a package from MAC Cosmetics. And this is, oh my God, thank you. Thank you, MAC. So they sent over their MAC Fix Plus sprays, and these are in certain scents. So these scents were only limited time, but now they're making them permanent. So one of them is chamomile and the other one is green tea and cucumber. Yes, oh my gosh, I can't wait to try the green tea and cucumber one. That was probably so nice. But also, what is really cool, look it says spray here. Turn this over. I needed a new one so bad too, you guys. I've been using this stuff nonstop, but look it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Yeah. Oh my gosh, chamomile smells bomb. This stuff is amazing, you guys. I cannot stress it enough. It has changed my makeup game. I talked about it in a previous video saying that I want to do like an updated foundation routine of like how I keep my makeup looking just all put together, lasting longer on my face, because my face loves to eat away makeup, and this thing has been a huge help in changing my foundation routine. So I definitely want to do a video on that, but I'm telling you, you need to try this out. It's fine for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. I have not been breaking out from it, and my skin loves it, and it has made my foundation look 10 times better. So yeah, really pumped. I can't wait to try out the green tea one though. That one's gonna be bomb. All right, so I got another package from MAC Cosmetics, and they have just been like loading up my P.O. box. I love it. I'm obsessed. I love MAC. This is cool. This is the MAC Mineralized Charged Water Charcoal Spray. What? Is this a Fix Plus, but charcoal? Charcoal, oh my God, look at this. This is so cool. I have not seen this at all. I've never seen this before, and this is so neat. This is basically just like a MAC Fix Plus. You spray it anytime after cleansing, before moisturizing, and to reset applied makeup. Oh my God, I am stocked up on this stuff, you guys, but that one's really neat. I can't wait to try that one out. Then they also sent a Reset and Revive Charcoal Mask. Oh my God, I need this. I need this right now. I'm using this after this video. So they sent over a charcoal mask. I love charcoal masks. They do wonders for my skin in the congested areas. I only spot treat it because I have combination skin. If you have combination, you guys, only put charcoal mask in the areas that you're congested and where you're trying to like clear out those pores. Don't put it everywhere, otherwise you could dry out those dry parts of your face. So multi-masking is your best friend. But they also send over some of their makeup. All right, so this is their Studio Water Weight collection. So this first thing here, what is this? Studio Water Weight Powder Press Dark. All right, so they sent over their powder, but honestly, this is a little too orangey for me. Yeah, that's a little too orangey for me. I don't think I'd be using that. They also sent over their water weight concealer. So I have NC45 and W45 and then NC20. Let me look at NC20 because I think this is gonna work. I don't know about the 45 ones. Oh yeah, look at this. This guy would work for me. I don't know what they're thinking about sending me a dark one. All right, so I think this shade would definitely work for me. Ooh, it's a bit on the yellow side for me, to be honest. It's right here. Yeah, it's a bit on the yellow side. Let me see NW. W is supposed to stand for warm. Oh my God, that's dark. That is dark. I'm not even gonna bother opening that. Like, I mean, you could use this for maybe contouring, like cream contouring right there. But they are more on the darker side. So even this is not gonna work for me, I feel like. Because I feel like it's too yellow. Even if I'm self-tan, it's just too yellow. But I don't know. We'll have to try it out. I'll let you guys know. But it looks like a really cool product. So if those don't work for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and order my own shade because I actually really wanna try these out. I will never forget that other concealer, their Pro Longwear concealer. I love that stuff. I need to repurchase one of those because that used to be like my holy grail concealer back in the day. The thing was so good. All right, so next up I got a package from ColourPop Cosmetics, and they sent over their 5 new Ultra Matte Lips and their new go-to palette, which is Give It To Me Straight palette, and then, ooh, a new highlighter palette. So excited! I love ColourPop. So this is their Innuendo. This is their highlighting palette right here. Check that out. Oh my gosh, these look pretty. Oh, they feel creamy too. They feel so creamy. Oh my goodness, that is everything. On the loose is really pretty too. Look at those. They have so many different shades in here, but these are beautiful, beautiful highlight shades. Can't wait to try those out on my face. And then here is the palette right here. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at these shades right here, you guys. Those look absolutely stunning. I love these shades. Ooh, up front. Dude, they have like mastered their single shadows. Their single shadows are awesome. Here is up front right here. Let me grab a matte shade. This one is called Frank. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Ah, okay. Honestly, the most affordable brand on the market is ColourPop, and they by far have some of the best products. Like their eyeshadows are some of my favorite eyeshadows. If you have not tried out their single shadows, like their pressed shadows, you need to try them out. Trust me, you will not regret it. All right, so here are their lippies that they sent over. I'm just gonna open up one of them just to kind of save time for this video. Oh my gosh, I opened up a really pretty shade. This is WYD. Oh, that is a gorgeous brown. Look at that. That's like the perfect 90s brown right there. That is stunning. That would be perfect for the fall time and the winter time. So I'm gonna go ahead and save those for a future video to test out. But that color is everything. All right, so next up I got a package from Mailbox, and this is the I Do Care You've Gotta Be Kitten Us. How cute is that? I love their stuff, you guys. I really love their, I think it's the Ginger Aid mask. It is awesome. I went through like a whole tub of those if you saw that in my empties. But this right here is the Mini Meow Trio, so 3 mini chrome masks. Ooh, they're chrome. I love these little masks. These are perfect for travel because they don't take up too much space. So they have Space Kitten right here, which this is a peel off. Oh, that would be fun. Oh my God. It's black and it has sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see it right there. I don't want to get it all over the place because I don't want to waste product. There's not like a ton of product in here. And then they have Disco Kitten, which is the illuminating diamond peel off mask. I have the big version of that. And then they sent over the sugar one, which is a hydrating holographic peel-off mask. I like it. Oh my God, look at this one, you guys. I like it that they're peel-off. Peel-off masks are just so much fun. So this will be really cool to try out in like the beginning of a video, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you so much to Mailbox. I love their stuff. I Do Care is one of my favorite brands. They actually sell these in Ulta Beauty, if you guys were wondering. Okay, so next up I have a package from ColourPop, and they send over their glitter drops and their shimmer veils. So I'm looking at the little card right here, and just to let you guys know when these launch. So the glitter drops are already launched in Sephora, but they won't launch in Ulta until March 4th. And the shimmer veil are already launched in Sephora and Ulta, so you guys can already get those. This is the glitter drops right here. This is Aurora. Oh my God, look at those. Look how pretty that looks like. It looks like unicorn. Like a unicorn inside a bottle. So cool. Whoa. You know what it reminds me of? You guys remember those pens that you would have to like, they were on the infomercials, and I remember I even bought them before, like convention center, but they were like those kind of like squeezy pens that had that paint stuff in it. That's what this reminds me of. But dude, oh my God, this thing is like glittery and like just iridescent. Look at that. That thing is intense. This would be really cool for like a fun makeup look or like a galaxy look. I think that would be beautiful for every day. Not so much because it's a little glittery, a little holographic-y for me. But holographic-y, a little iridescence for me, but it is still a stunning product, and it would be fun to play around with for like a very kind of fun, creative makeup look. All right, so they sent over their shimmer veils too, and I have Amethyst, Celestial, Moonstone, and Magic. Let's go ahead and take a look at Moonstone real quick. Ooh, shimmer veil. How are these used? Are these eyeshadows? Let me see. Shimmer veil, available in 6 shades. What you should know: high impact shimmer for the eyes and beyond. Crease proof, transfer proof for shimmering finish. So yes, they are for the eyes. Oh, these would be fun. Oh my God, these are beautiful. They remind me of those Stila ones, but that is a Moonstone right there. Look at how pretty that is. I like the feel of it too because it's not super thick, so it's not gonna feel crusty and dry on your lid. It's actually very thin and it's beautiful. So beautiful. And honestly, when it dries, you guys, it's not going anywhere. Like, it's not going anywhere. So that is awesome. I can't wait to try those out in a future video. I think those will be really, really fun to play with. All right, so next up we have some new skincare from Ofra Cosmetics. If you guys want to save 30% off, code Madison 30. So yeah, I love that code, you guys. 30% off is quite a bit. So here we go into Ofra. These are new. This is the Ofra Energizing Elixir Recharging Facial Toner. This is anti-aging, soothing, and it renews skin. And then the next one is we have, it's a micellar water. Oh, you know I'm gonna be using this. I love micellar water. So they came out with a perfecting elixir with apple stem cells, micellar water, gentle cleansing, oil, fragrance, and alcohol free is a must. I love that. You know I'm gonna be trying that out very shortly. And then, ooh, we have a primer and it says cool as a cucumber. I love cucumber products. Like, I don't know what it is about cucumber products, but they just soothe my skin so well. And this is a moisturizing primer in one that hydrates, soothes, and smooths. So you know I'm gonna be trying this out. Putting that into my try box right now. Okay, we got a product from Dermalogica and they always make me so excited because I absolutely love Dermalogica. And this is their Calm Water Gel. This thing looks so cool and I can't wait to try this out too. Dude, so much skincare to try out, but this one will definitely be at the top of my list because it's for sensitive skin. It says, tired of dealing with sensitive dehydrated skin? Yes, I am tired of dealing with that. New Calm Water Gel is your sensitive skin's new BFF. Yeah. So weightless water gel moisturizer penetrates skin to lock in moisture. It retails for $48. And if you guys want to know where you can get Dermalogica, you can find it in certain salons, but you could also get it at Ulta Beauty, which is where I usually get mine. I cannot wait. So it's relieving, hydrating, and restoring. It balances sensitive skin. It reduces redness with ultra calming system. So it's a weightless water gel moisturizer. I love their Active Moist. I use their Active Moist all the time. This is their Active Moist. I have been through a couple of these already. It is one of my favorite moisturizers. So this one, the fact that this one helps with redness and balancing out your skin, I'm definitely going to be trying this one out very, very shortly. So that will be fun right there. I love Dermalogica. Their stuff is awesome. All right, so next up we have a package from NARS. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is my first PR package from NARS. I went to their event and they gave me a beautiful PR like box, but this is the first time I've ever had mailed to me. And I'm so excited because you guys, NARS is like one of the lists that I always wanted to get on because I absolutely love their products. I can't wait to see what they sent over. It says Spring It On. This is their Spring 2018 color collection. And it is already available. Let me tell you what it is. Oh my goodness, so we should totally do a video on the spring collection. So first off, they sent over their liquid blush. This is in Hot Tin Roof right here. Look at that. Their packaging is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. They also sent over some of their lip covers. This shade right here that I swatch is called Summer Fire, which is really pretty. It's a really pretty mauve. Oh my God, this one looks gorgeous. This is Under Arrest. This one looks pretty. It's more of a warm brown right there. And then they have a nude, which is called Embrace Moi. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty peachy nude right there. And then they also have Hell Gate. This is more of a kind of almost like a brick red. Look at that. Very beautiful. I love that shade. I like it that it's on the cooler side. They also sent over this blush right here. It's called Free Soul and it has a very like sheen finish to it. That's what it looks like. It's a bubblegum pink. And then they send over some shadow sticks as well. So thank you so much to NARS for sending those over. I can't wait to try out the lip products. Lip products is what I'm like so excited for. I love lip products. All right, so another lovely package from MAC Cosmetics right here. Dude, I'm loving their like sleek packaging that they're sending their stuff in. So it looks like they did a collab with Beautyblender, which is awesome. So they sent over a retro matte lipstick in Ruby Roo. Ooh, I got a new one of those. And then, oh, their strobe cream right here, which is beautiful on the skin. And then, yes, this is my favorite Beautyblender, you guys. It's the black one. The black one is the best one. I'm not even kidding. Each color feels differently. I think they're meant for different things or it's just like a preference, but honestly, you could feel the difference in each sponge. And the black one for me is like my favorite. And then they sent over, I think this is a mirror. Yeah, they sent over a mirror. And then yay! Oh my gosh, I'm excited. They sent over a little Fix Plus. Oh yes, this is like perfect for travel. I've been traveling with my big one and I was like, I think I even said it in my travel makeup bag video. I was like, I really need a little travel sized one just to like not take up so much space. And I got one. Thank you, Mac. I am so excited. And thank you for stocking me up on the Beautyblender because I need a new one real bad. All right, so the last package that I'm going to show in this PR haul, the other stuff I think I'm going to go ahead and just finish it up on like Instagram. We had a lot, you guys. I was gone for 2 weeks. We had a lot. So this one is from e.l.f. Beauty. Oh my God, e.l.f. is hooking it up. I'm so excited. They sent over a hydrating water sheet mask. Yes, it has purified water and aloe in it, and I love stuff with aloe because it's amazing to calm the skin. I need that skin calmed. And they also sent over the Prep and Hydrate Balm, which would be really great to try out for my full face of e.l.f. cosmetics videos that I'm gonna be doing. I have like a whole box that's dedicated to e.l.f. products right now. So I am throwing stuff in there and I'm gonna go through there to make sure I've got everything that I need, but I might have to go to the store to pick up like a foundation and stuff. But that video will be filmed very shortly. Don't worry, it's coming. And then also they sent over the Charcoal Hydro Gel Under Eye Mask. Depuff and detoxify for a bright and re-energized under eye. Ah, yes, I am so excited to try these out. I love under eye gels. They are amazing. They feel so good in the morning, you guys. And then last but not least, oh my God, we have to try this out. We're gonna try this out on a video. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try this definitely out on a video. This is the Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. It's the magnetic tool and unique mask. Oh my God. So you put it on and then you take that tool and it takes off the mask. I've never tried anything like this before. So this is gonna be so much fun to do in a video. I am so pumped, you guys. That's gonna be a blast. In a glass. If you watch Jersey Shore, wow. I can't believe I just said that. All right, so that is everything in this PR haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any review videos that you would like to see as quickly as possible so that way I can put them to the top of my list. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.